Merry Christmas, guys. Look at that. It is snowing. Beautiful. Not really, guys. You can have the snow. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, we got a bunch of white snow, guys. Sadly. Look at that. I know you can't see much, but see, it's all white. Probably a couple, 3 inches, probably, in spots maybe a little deeper. This is November 3rd today. First snowfall. I haven't even drove my car in the first snowfall today. Not at all. Just haven't had time. This tank sure helped out. Is it leaking? Shouldn't. They crimped it, see? I don't think the hot water heater is leaking, but I thought about turning it down here. Conserve on natural gas here. I don't need that high when I'm by myself. Sometimes I have company, so I'll turn it up, but yeah, she's not leaking. I was actually thinking about washing my car inside the house here. Soap and water, because look at how dirty it is. I mean, I know it's going to get dirty and slushy from the snow, but at least get that old crap off of there. It looks clean, but just the engine hood, a few things here I should probably polish up and stuff. I want to give a shout out. I can give a shout out to anybody. Just go ahead and let's go subscribe to Tyler Gold there. I apologize for the noisy lens, but you know, it is what it is. And then, like I said, it's you know, I had to upgrade because the other camera I had was pretty wore out. Thanks, guys, last night for an amazing stream. You know, I just woke up and I was really tired from last night. Couldn't get any sleep, but you see, this snow is pretty much all melted. Which I was hoping it would do. I haven't had a chance to go out and look at it in here. Here it hasn't melted yet. No big deal. Well, last night, guys, I did a live stream on YouTube, and I gave you a shout out, and this will be still included in the vlog. I'm not sure if I'll continue to do the live stream because it's just not for me, and I mean I rather just do YouTube videos. My internet really sucks. It doesn't work too good. It kept cutting out, and I don't know. I'll have to see how it goes and go from there and see if we're going to keep doing live streaming. The snow. Alright, we're going to fire up old Noki here. Let you guys listen to it here. I'm going to go ahead and start it, and I'll get the camera. But it smells like it's rich. That's piston slab there. Or is that a rod now? That sounds like a rod knob to me. Whoop. Sounds like maybe lifters too. Got good oil pressure, but I don't know if that's working. May not be. I hear it underneath more than I do there. It could be lifters, but it sure sounds like a rod now. Pretty warmed up already. Huh, that's good. Still there, that noise, whatever it is. Whatever it is, it's shot. That's all I know. Oh jeez, it can't be piston slap when it's warm too, could it? That's in drive, see? So many miles is on there. I still think it's lifters and rod knock both. It's hard to tell, but you put the screwdriver up to the oil pan, she's pinging pretty good. And then you put the screwdriver on the left bank where the lifters are at, no pinging at all, and that's where it sounds like it's come from. Then you put your screwdriver and then you listen on the right bank and there's no pinging there, and I thought maybe the flex plate, and I looked in there. It's not coming from there either, and then you put your screwdriver on the oil pan, it's pinging, so it could be the engine getting tired. Yeah, I need to start it anyway. Neighbors are probably looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing here? Alright, well, anyway guys, this is kind of included in the vlog, so you guys will be shot out, so this will be kind of a longer vlog than usual. So, hope you guys enjoy that, and I still don't know what I'm going to do with this truck yet. I'm going to see if I can get a second opinion, because I did some research where it could be a knock sensor causing not to work, but I don't know what that would have anything to do with it. I think it's more than that. Yeah, it's got high miles. It's old. And then again, I could probably put a U-joint in there and see how far it goes, I guess. I see a lot of people doing that. I mean, some of their vehicles like knock like crazy. Yeah, I know. They burn oil and they're smoking and burning antifreeze. Here comes a train. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a U-joint in here. And then I'm going to run it and blow it up. So, once I have to tow it home, then you know it's not reliable. Why don't we do that? So I'm gonna get her fixed, and we're gonna see how long the Chevy can go. You know, it may be something simple. It may be a rod knock, but this engine may last longer than you think. I've had engines with rod knocks that last a long time. If you keep changing oil and fully synthetic oil, not rev it like I did when it was cold, I think you'll make it. So maybe we'll just try that. Let's do a little test on this Avalanche. Just catch you guys later. Stupid train coming. Look at that, it's snowing now. It's nothing previous. I just hate winter. Hate winter. Ugh.